Low battery. Day 23 is finish ed. It is so hot today, so I definitely had to take a break in the middle of it because it was hot as melted fudge. All right, let's see what is new. So we have many rooms. This would be the first scare area. This one was completed a while ago. So that's one area done. Clearly the spider area is not even started, kind of being used for storage at this moment. And this second area, it's actually been done. And then we head to the third area in the first separated section. Don't know if you can tell that by now, but they are separated. The different areas. Whoa, what's going on here? It did really well last year, so that's why I decided to do it much larger this year. But I will say, if we didn't have separate areas, maybe the haunt would seem even bigger. So next year we might not do separated areas. We will have to see. But looky, what is this? This is the exit. Last year it was not, but now it is. And you step on through. Hey, look, we've been working a lot in this area, and everything that was here, fence panels and the support beams and such, they're all up and technically back there because that's where they're gonna need to be. So this is this scare area, and now you can see that is where one place enters and that is where another enters. And trust me, they won't even think about going back in. And I'll try and be louder because the AC. But this is the second area, forest area with the bridge. It'll be so cool, so dark, so wiggly. And yes, there will be a ramp going down that I'll have to just step down and fall in their faces. Our tight area, this was already finished before. And also, this was finished before. And there will be some soft things on it so they don't bumpies their nuggies. But we have 9 more panels that are finished to put up. We have these unfinished ones that are very misshapen. They've got a lot of notches and things cut out of them, or they're just not straight, or they're weird sizes, or whatever. But we will use them. Oh yes, we will. And this is where the other stuff is staged right now. Some of the support beams, not that many left. And that is where the fencing is. And one panel right there. That's a loud airplane. And then, looky, there's one on the floor and one over here. Thank you, door. And that's it. That's all we have for those. I can't wait to do what I'm gonna do with those. That would be the back end of the back side of the brick ones, if you haven't worked with those before and didn't know what they look like on the back. It's just a facade thing, so they have to stay in here because if they're just laying out in the weather, they will definitely soak up the water and be ruined. Ew. And I'm quite happy with our actor space over here, or spaces, because this year they're having a lot more space than they have had previous years. We tried to pack every inch of these things with panels, and that's not always the best option. It's good to have lots of space for the actors to move around in, especially when it's time for break. Long day, huh? Very hot. Time to eat. Time to go home. We've done our duty, right?
Yeah.
Yes. There's a cute little doggy. The dog's exhausted too. It's hard work being so cute. Yes, absolutely. Alrighties. That's it for day 23.